Jess at the product team at Flip. I'll be walking you through our newest dashboards. First is our main performance dashboard, which has been revamped to better show our value at a high level. You can filter for time or any brands you have in the top filters. The big number at the top is the total savings based on what you've indicated to our sales staff as the cost per agent-handled call. By default, this is set to $7 but can be configured by our sales staff. If this number isn't current for you, please submit a ticket using the support button at the top of the page. The next big number is our Flip successful number. While in the past we focused purely on automating calls, we want to show the value that we're adding to the calls even if the calls end up with the operator. Currently, Flip successful means that we've either automated the call, sent them to a special call routing queue, or transcribed a voicemail. But the most up-to-date definition will always be in the info note. The sales opportunity numbers are identifying the number of callers who are calling based on our specific caller journey metrics and intents. Pre-purchase customers are customers who haven't placed an order yet. The place an order intent are customers who are calling not just to inquire about a new order, but with the intent to place a new order. And the product info calls are customers who are calling to ask about the specifics of your product. Our next best actions are coming soon. This is where you'll find opportunities to get the best value out of Flip. Next, we have our conversations overview, which is very similar to our previous metrics. Here, you'll see the inbound calls, automated calls, and the percentage of automated calls. Flip for a long time is the ability to transcribe and send voicemail tickets with different ticketing systems. And now we see that, as well as our call routing, reflected in our helpful handoffs. Our empty handoffs are calls where a customer wasn't completely helped with our automation and continued on to the main routing line. Next, you'll see a line graph with our performance over time by date. If you'd like to see longer trends, you can adjust the time range in the filters at the top. Lastly, you'll see our conversation topics, which are our broad intent categories. We have the ability to categorize and handle over 100 different call intents, which are broadly grouped here in order to give the best representation of the reasons the customers are calling. Next is our Deep Dives Intents dashboard, which offers a little more visibility into what types of customers are calling and the reason they're calling. You'll see the conversation topics from the previous dashboard, but you have the ability to search by loyalty segment, contact segment, and order segment. You'll be able to see the call volume represented in the line graph. From here, you can start making decisions about how to best handle your intents.